In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record owner contributions in QuickBooks Online. Navigating these financial entries can sometimes feel a bit daunting, but rest assured, I'll guide you through this process, step by step, to ensure you feel confident and comfortable managing your accounts. Let's start by heading to the upper left corner of your QuickBooks Online dashboard. Here, you'll find the New button, and it's your first stop in recording a new transaction. Clicking on this brings up a menu of options for various financial activities. What we're interested in today is making a bank deposit, so go ahead and select Bank Deposit from this menu. Once you've clicked Bank Deposit, you'll be prompted to choose the account into which the owner made their deposit. This could be any number of banking accounts you have linked to your QuickBooks, so make sure to select the correct one that reflects the actual deposit. This ensures your financial records accurately mirror your business's real-world transactions. Next, you'll need to specify who the deposit was received from. Look for the Received From field, and in this case, input the name of the owner. By doing this, you're associating the contribution with a specific individual, which is crucial for keeping your accounts detailed and organized. Now it's time to input the amount of the deposit. Precision is key here. Double-check that this number matches what was actually contributed. Even a small mistake at this stage could lead to discrepancies in your financial statements, so take your time to ensure it's correct. After entering the amount, make sure that all the necessary details have been filled in. This might include notes or descriptions that specify what the contribution is for, or any other relevant information that will help you or anyone else reviewing the statements to understand the transaction in the future. Once you have all the information filled out and double-checked, you'll find the Save and Close button. By clicking this, you'll finalize the deposit entry, recording the owner's contribution into your QuickBooks statements. This effectively updates your financial records and provides you with an accurate overview of current business finances. And that's all there is to it. With these steps, you can easily record an owner's contributions in QuickBooks Online, ensuring your financial records are kept accurate and up to date. Remember, organization is key in maintaining a solid financial foundation for your business, so taking a few extra minutes to precisely record each transaction will pay off in the long run. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial has made the process clearer and more manageable for you.